We just got my box. We just got a Boxycharm box. And I have really high hopes for it. Ah! Hi, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I filmed, but I got my Boxycharm box for the month of September, and we are in September. It is, what is this, the 16th? So I'm gonna see if I can put this up tomorrow. And wow, progress, because it's like for the last couple months I've been getting it after that month, but this time it's during that month. You don't care, but I care. So yay, let's see. And in case you forgot, I switched over to just the Boxycharm base box. I got rid of my premium and my luxe because it just wasn't doing it for me anymore. So I'm hoping my premium is gonna pull through. I'm gonna slice it open with my knife. And for the big reveal, look at that cute pink. I love that. And as always, hello Charmer. Oh, okay. That's okay. Boxycharm box. And here we have the card on top. It says Glam Vibes Only. And I got box variation number 48. That's kind of how you can tell. I never really knew that there were that many variations, but I guess, yeah, it's a thing on the back of your card. And this is my box. So, real quick, let me just dig into the card and we'll get going here, because I'm kind of excited. Like I said, high hopes. This came in September, and my last couple base boxes have been pretty choice. So, let's get to it. The first item here is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intense Exfoliating Treatment. Oh, like Exfolikate. I was like, why does it pronounce Exfolikate? $83. All right, so I'm gonna assume that's this little fella that says Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts Exfolikate. See, that's what I was talking about. Threw me off, okay? Cute. What do you do? Transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. I got a lot of pores, let me tell you. Dull, dry surface skin, revive, radiant skin, 2 minutes. Holy Grail, preps. Super skeptical, but Kate Somerville Exfolikate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I don't think I've tried anything from Kate Somerville, so I may have to give this a go, but those are some pretty high claims to take care of my pores and do all this other stuff in only 2 minutes. I mean, I'll give it a try, but I'm super skeptical. Anyhoozle. $85. $85 for this little fella. That's a bit much. On to the next item. It is a HIPDOT Zion eyeshadow palette. $30. Oh. I've been getting eyeshadow palettes lately, just palettes in general. I'm trying to pull this out gently. Okay, so this is the HIPDOT Zion eyeshadow palette worth $30. Let's take a look. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. That is really cute packaging now. Look at that. Can you see? Can you see? Because I can see. And that looks pretty nice. Just one look at Utah sandstone. Oh, okay. Just one look at Utah sandstone caves will transport you to a world of majestic beauty. Don't I know it? Don't I wish I was there? Yes. Connect with these sweeping canyons through the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion. We are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, mineral oil-free, phthalates-free. And you got my attention. Ooh, that's cute. So I guess you have the name here and then the logo right here. Again, I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. So shout out to Boxycharm for introducing me to something that could possibly be something really great for me. Oh, Okay, these are beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you appropriately? Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I mean, we have a little that came off here, but that's fine. We got the mirror, we have the colors, but wow. 15 pans, pretty large. I love these colors. These are 1, perfect for fall, and 2, perfect for me, which is #1 important, so it should have been, but anyway. Beautiful colors, my goodness. Ooh. Guess who's gonna be doing a look with this palette coming up here pretty soon? Yo, right here. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm interested. You have my attention, HIPDOT. And how much were you? You weren't that much. You didn't shock me. 30 bucks. Only 30 bucks for this. And this is really nice. Okay. 30 bucks. Next up, we have a HANK&HENRY Lip Love Luxe lipstick. Lip Love Luxe lipstick. Is this like a play on words from the Live Laugh Love? Because I swear to glob. Ooh. No. Anyway, HANK&HENRY Lip Love Luxe lipstick, $18. It's gotta be you, little cutie. Oh, I saw this on the Instagram. This actually looks really cute. And how much were you? 18. That box though, look at that. So love HANK&HENRY. I don't think I've gotten anything from HANK&HENRY yet. I see it a lot in Boxycharm, but I have yet to receive anything up until now. So this is kind of nice. Great packaging. It looks so nice. It's like kind of like a satiny look to it. It's like a matte shimmer, if that makes sense. Probably not, but that's okay. Just let me look at you. Oh. And it says satin matte lipstick on the box. Do you tell me what shade you are? No, not right off. Ooh, open the box and that is pretty. Look at that. Huh. I thought they were just kidding. Look. Okay. How do I get it out? Like, so this is the lipstick. And this is the shade on the bottom. It is satin matte lipstick in LOVE, I want to say. How do I get it out? Like, I can push. Oh, no way. Okay, so I pushed on the top here. And that clicked this out here. Is that really? Oh my god, it does! That is dope, son. Oh my god. Shut up. Look at this. Oh my god. I want to take my lipstick off right now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, and it just glides in, glides out. Ding, ding. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, yep. That's lipstick, all right. Ding. Ding. Okay, I'm gonna put this back before I get to using. Pop it back in there. And wow, okay, $18, but I mean, wow. Wow, I'm shook. Shooketh. Shooketh. $18 hairs. That's worth it, yo. Coming up next here, we have the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in the shade Black, because they know my soul. $24. $24. Laura Geller stuff is $24. I mean, I've gotten it before. I didn't realize it's $24. Smooth formula provides extra volume without clumping. Wavy fibers, protective properties, gentle and conditioning, volumizing and defining. Okay. Okay. I mean, it looks pretty nice. Black. I wanted to open the box, but the box doesn't want to be open. Oh, from the bottom. From the bottom to the top, we here. Okay, pretty simple packaging for the container here. Pretty simple. You got that little gloss going. Laura Geller, New York. That's it. Okay. I may use this. I have a few others to try before this one, but $24. I don't know how it's $24. Maybe it is really that great. I haven't tried a lot of products from Laura Geller. Maybe I need to try them and branch out, but $24. And last, coming in last but not least, I don't know, it could be the least. Why do people say that? Last but not least? This might be the least. It is the Billion Dollar Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge for $15. And out of all the items I got today, this cost the least. So I should say last and least. Never mind. Okay, cute. Vegan charcoal infused. Are sponges not normally vegan? I've got questions now, but okay. I have a few brushes from Billion Dollar and they are actually really great. Super soft. I love them. I may have to give this a go. That actually feels pretty nice. Billion Dollar Beauty stamped on the front there. Actually, pretty nice. That's nice. And I mean, it's not like I needed any sponges, but you could always use a new sponge. That is nice. Cool. And again, $15. This is everything that came in my Boxycharm box, base box for the month of September. And I gotta say, I don't hate it. I like a lot of this. I actually kind of want to put some of this on right now. So if you have time, we're going to be doing this. We're going to come in with the HIPDOT palette today and just splash a little bit on my ojos because yes. One more time for the folks in the back who couldn't quite see clearly. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm in love. And I know people say purples are really hard to make, so I hope this comes out good. I got real high hopes for you, Holmes. Let's just do this. This is lovely. Oh my gosh. HIPDOT. Yo. You might be my new bae. Like, I've been itching to buy me some ColourPop palettes, but damn. This looks good. Oh, one last thing before I forget, because I already forgot. That's why I said one last thing. The HANK&HENRY Satin Matte Lipstick. Look at this. Remember how cute this is? Look at it. Got the symbol on the top. On the top, you pop it. It clicks out the bottom. Pull it out. And ooh, look at that. Look at that, 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 look. It's beautiful. Wow. That is a beautiful red. Wow. This look though. I mean, I already had on my look from today, which is pretty basic because I just went to work or whatever. But then throwing these two in to the whole mix. Wow. I'm gonna have to look into these more because, I mean, just these two things alone made my Boxycharm worth it for the entire month. And I mean, how much were you? HIPDOT was 30 and I think the HANK&HENRY was 18. That is more than what I paid for the box itself. I mean, Anyway, let me know what you got in your Boxycharm, what variation you got, you liked it, you hate it, whether it was the base, the luxe, the premium, the superb, whatever they have now. Go ahead, comment down below. I'm gonna let you know right now, I love these things. I mean, I've probably said it like 30 times already, and if you're playing a drinking game, you take a shot every time I said I love this, you may not be conscious right now. But this month's Boxycharm was bomb. Let me just tell you. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. We do this every Thursday, Sunday. I'm gonna post this up. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Oh, that's really it. That's all I got. Unless you got something for me, let me know, because I'm gonna go. Bye.